See, money's not going to make you happy. But I'm going to tell you something. If you're going to be unhappy, have some money to go with it. I mean, really.
Before we get on with this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video.
So the location, you want location and you want income, right? Because what I'm looking for is freedom. Freedom means I don't have to worry about it. I don't want to worry. Okay, money does not buy happiness, so they say. How many heard that before? Money does not buy happiness. Okay, who'd you hear it from? Like, did you do any research on this? Who told you this? Think back to the person that said, money won't make you happy. They didn't have any money. They don't have money. They give advice on stuff they've never had. And by the way, if you're looking for money, what's that got to do with happiness? Okay, when I'm looking for a Chanel bag for my wife, I'm not looking for me to be happy. I'm looking for her to be happy. You understand? I'm like, I want to get her a Chanel bag. It makes her happy. I don't understand why anybody would want a bag like that. Okay, I don't get it. I don't need to. I need to understand it makes her happy. The money doesn't make her happy. The bag makes her happy. Everybody agree? So I got the bag, right? See, money's not going to make you happy. But I'm going to tell you something. If you're going to be unhappy, have some money to go with it. I mean, really. Like, oh man, goddamn, I'm miserable. I'm unhappy. I'm so unhappy. I'm miserable. I'm miserable. I'm as miserable now as when I was poor, but it's shit. At least I'm not miserable and hungry. Okay? So you're working hard, you're making money, you're in something. I don't know, you're a doctor, a chiropractor, a plumber, a contractor, a steel worker, a factory person, a masseuse, a coach, an educator, a teacher, a nurse, whatever your thing is. You're a parent. What does everybody want? Freedom. I don't want to be happy. I want freedom. Go where I want, do what I want, stay as long as I want, change my mind, keep my money. How many of you like to be able to be in that position? Yeah, keep it. I made a deposit. I don't want to go anymore. Keep it, man. Really. It's nothing. 20 grand. Keep it. Okay? How many like to be in that position? Okay? Oh, wow, it's too much. I'm going to buy it anyway. How many like to be in that position? Oh, I paid too much. Things aren't working out. We're going through a little contraction. And you're like, it don't matter. Let's go get some more. Let's do it again. Right? So some of you, you're more worried about your calories than you are your money. Some of you on social media, you're more worried about likes and comments and followers than you are your bank account. I want to get my money right so I can have freedom. I don't care about money. I'm a real estate person. I don't have any money. Okay? This is what a real real estate guy looks like this. No money. We go to dinner, you have to pay. Okay? I got a Visa card. I got a black card. They wouldn't take my black card in Mykonos. I'm like, well, no wonder you guys went bankrupt. Okay? I got no money. You know why? Where's my money? My money's in real estate. Because I'm looking for freedom. I'm committed to freedom. Okay? So I'm going to give you a little deal here. If you want freedom, you got to get a commitment to freedom. And then I look for vehicles that can get me freedom. I'm committed to the freedom search, all right? Because when you go try to get this freedom thing in this real estate space, you're going to hit a bunch of obstacles, right? The commitment's going to be like, I'm committed. How many are committed right now? You're like, I'm all in. I'm ready to go. Cardone's getting me excited. Okay, say 10X if you're excited. Like, I'm ready. I'm moving to America and I'm going to act like a beast. Right? You're like, I'm going all in. I'm ready. I'm out of my mind. But dude, here's the problem. You're going to hit obstacles. You're going to go into the real estate market and you're going to be like, I can't get a loan. I don't have any money. I got bad credit. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't have time. My marriage is falling apart. I got 2 freeloading kids that just, they're going through whatever they're going through. I don't have enough time to do all this, and I quit. Okay, the reason why you did that, okay, I would draw this as a circle if I had a bigger piece of paper, but clearly Rob can't get enough people here to buy a bigger flip chart. Okay? I love you, dog. I love you. Hey, by the way, this guy understands who I am. I want to have fun more than anything else. More than anything else, I want to have fun. Problem with me, I go from fun to serious. Like you don't even see. So I could be having fun, and all of a sudden, boom, I'm in a $120 million deal, and I'm a different guy. And if you want the big deals, you got to have fun, because the people you're doing deals with, they all got money. Everybody I'm doing deals with, money's not the issue. Okay, money's not the issue. Who are we going to do it with? Who won't we do it with? Who do we pick? Who do we trust? And can we have some fun with this person?
If you've enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about property investing professionally, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel.